Choosing the best heat pump for your pool means looking for something that heats the water quickly without hiking up your energy bills. But what really matters more, efficiency or smart technology? Top-notch heat pumps stand out because they use less energy and have a smaller environmental impact than traditional methods. They're also pretty quiet so you can relax by the pool without background noise. These heat pumps are built to last too, with durable materials that stand up to the elements year after year. Investing in the right model can mean enjoying warm water in your pool for more of the year, making every swim that much better. Before we start our list of the best heat pumps for pools, make sure to follow our links for the best prices and latest deals. Let's get down to business now. Number 6. AquaCal Heatwave SuperQuiet SQ225. The AquaCal Heatwave SuperQuiet SQ225 is like the quiet, efficient buddy every pool owner dreams of. For those ready to spend a bit more for top-notch quality, this model doesn't disappoint. It's packed with features that justify the investment, especially if you're after a mix of performance and peace. What stands out first is its impressive efficiency. With a coefficient of performance, or COP, of 6.5, it tops its older sibling, the SQ175, by a notch. This means you can get to enjoy warmer water without worrying so much about your energy bill climbing. In other words, it's like getting more heat for every penny spent, which is always a win. Now, onto the silent treatment. In a good way. At 55 dB, it hums along more quietly than most conversations. If you're chilling poolside, you might not even notice it's on. This level of quiet is something you usually don't find in less expensive models. Plus, buying from an authorized AquaCal dealer means you're covered with a full warranty. It's like having a safety net, ensuring that any potential issues will be sorted without fuss. All in all, the AquaCal Heatwave SuperQuiet SQ225 combines efficiency, near-silent operation, and solid backup with warranty support. It's perfect for anyone who sees their pool as a place of relaxation and is willing to invest in making it just right. Number 5. FibroPool Swimming Pool Heat Pump. The FibroPool FH270 heat pump is a game-changer for pool owners looking for a budget-friendly way to keep their pool warm. It's all about eco-friendliness here, running on electricity instead of gas or propane, which means it's easier on your wallet and the planet. Whether you've got an in-ground pool holding up to 15,000 gallons or an above-ground one as big as 27 feet round or 18 by 33 feet oval, this pump has you covered. It's especially good in humid places where it can efficiently work its magic down to 50 degrees. For those living in drier areas, while it may not be the traditional choice like gas heaters, the FH270 offers a solid alternative. One of the best parts? The pump doesn't skimp on efficiency. It's equipped with some serious tech, high-pressure compressors and titanium heat exchangers that makes it incredibly energy efficient. That means more swimming without stressing over the electric bill. It's also built tough. The enamel-coated steel chassis and its compact design mean it can stand up to whatever the weather throws at it year after year. And with easy installation and a user-friendly digital control panel that you can even move with an optional extension cable, getting it up and running is a breeze. Plus, it's made in the US, which speaks volumes about its quality. For anyone looking to extend their pool season on a budget, the FH270 is pretty much a no-brainer. It packs a lot of punch without hitting your bank account too hard. Number 4. Raypak 266,000 BTU. The Raypak 266,000 BTU heater is your ticket to making summer vibes last all year. It's perfect for anyone who loves their pool time and hates to see it cut short by cooler weather. Why do people love this heater? First off, its thermostat is super user-friendly. You dial in your preferred temperature, lock it in, and that's it. No need to fiddle with it every day. And when it comes to standing up to the elements, the heater doesn't flinch. Whether it's a gusty day or there's a bit of rain, the Raypak's design ensures it keeps chugging along, thanks to its durable build and wind-resistant features. One thing users really appreciate is how straightforward it is to set up. The instructions are clear, making installation a breeze, and once it's running, it just works smoothly and efficiently. This isn't one of those budget models that might be finicky or prone to wear and tear. The Raypak is made with quality materials like its non-corrosive cabinet and copper fin tubes, ensuring it heats your pool effectively without any hassle. In short, the Raypak 266,000 BTU heater is there to keep your pool at just the right temperature, letting you enjoy your swim no matter the season. It's a solid, reliable choice for extending those pool days, giving you more time to make a splash. Number 3. Hayward W3HP21404T HeatPro 140,000 BTU. The Hayward W3HP21404T HeatPro 140,000 BTU is ideal for in-ground pool enthusiasts who never want to miss a day in the water, regardless of the weather. This heat pump stands out because it efficiently heats your pool using the air around it, making it easier on your wallet compared to other heating options. It's perfect for those who enjoy a consistent, warm swim without the steep energy bills. Living near the coast or in areas where outdoor gear often succumbs to the elements? No worries here. The HeatPro is built to withstand harsh conditions with its corrosion-resistant technology and titanium heat exchanger, ensuring it can handle a bit of salt spray or chemical exposure without missing a beat. Plus, the UV-resistant panels and stainless steel hardware keep it looking good as new. What really makes the pump shine compared to more affordable models isn't just its durability, it's how quietly it operates. Thanks to its specially designed fan blade and acoustic compressor cover, it keeps the noise down, so the peaceful vibe of your backyard isn't disturbed. In a nutshell, the Hayward HeatPro is like that reliable friend who's always there when you need them, quietly ensuring your pool is swim-ready at all times. It's an investment in countless hassle-free swims, making it a smart pick for anyone serious about their pool time. Number 2. Gulfstream HE150 136,000 BTU. The Gulfstream HE150 is that quiet friend who always has your back, especially when it comes to heating your pool without all the racket. With a solid 136,000 BTU, this heat pump does its job without turning your backyard into a noise fest. Why is it so hush-hush? It's all about the scroll compressor inside. It's designed to do its thing so quietly you might forget the pump is even running. For anyone who loves a peaceful swim or has close neighbors, this feature is a game changer. And it's not just about being quiet. The HE150 uses titanium in its heat exchangers. Before Gulfstream, this wasn't the norm, but they changed the game with this move. Titanium means this pump is tough against corrosion and wear, promising to serve you well for years without making a peep. Operating it is a breeze too, thanks to the clear LCD controls. Setting it up exactly how you like, whether for a quick dip or a longer swim, is simple. There's even a spa timer that turns off automatically, saving energy and hassle. Number 1. The Dr. Infrared Heater DR-1100HP is pretty much a game changer if you've got a big pool and want to keep it swim ready without the hefty energy bill or the constant noise. It's designed for both in-ground and above-ground pools up to 32,000 gallons, which covers a lot of backyard pools. What's really cool about this heater is its efficiency. It uses a smart amount of power for a whopping 110,000 BTU output. That means it's not just churning out warmth, it's doing it in a way that's kind to your wallet. Imagine getting your pool heated up without that dread of the upcoming utility bill. Then there's the tech side of things. The DR-1100HP comes with this nifty DC inverter technology that adjusts heating as needed. This isn't just about saving energy, it's also about making sure the heater isn't louder than your pool party. Plus, the twin rotary compressor minimizes vibrations, so it's not just quiet, it's stable too. Durability is another big win here. It's built to last, certified by CSA and AHRI, which should give you some peace of mind. And with the added convenience of Wi-Fi connectivity, managing your pool's temperature from your phone is as easy as sending a text. And that's all for today, guys. Let us know in the comments, are you looking for silent operation, or is high power your top benchmark? Consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel if you enjoy this guide, and have fun.